In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Redbubble. Whether you're an artist looking to sell your creations or a buyer needing to update your payment details, understanding this process is crucial. So, let's dive into it with a few simple steps to get you set up smoothly. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. Type Redbubble into your search bar. Once the results pop up, click on their official website to head straight to the homepage. Now, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but assuming you've already got your account all set up, go ahead and log in. After successfully logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a little drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it. From the options that appear, select Account Settings. This is where the magic happens. Inside your account settings, look around for the option that says Edit Payment Details and give it a click. Now, you'll be taken to a page where you can fill in your residential address information. You'll need to input your first name, last name, email, and of course, your physical address. Make sure all the details here are accurate, as this ensures proper correspondence and handling of your transactions. Keeping your information up to date helps in avoiding any hiccups when it comes to receiving payments or making orders. Moving along, scroll down a bit until you find the section marked Getting Paid. Here, you have the opportunity to choose your preferred currency from a drop-down list. Redbubble caters to a global audience, so rest assured you'll most likely find your desired currency available for selection. The next order of business is selecting your payment method. Redbubble offers you two primary choices here: PayPal and bank deposit. Both have their own sets of advantages, so choose whichever suits your situation most comfortably. PayPal is great for those who prefer quick access to their funds and familiarity, while a bank deposit can be beneficial for direct transfers without intermediary platforms. Now, with everything in place, it's crucial to revisit all the information you've entered. Double-check each field to ensure accuracy. If everything looks perfect, locate the Save button towards the bottom of the page. Give it a decisive click to confirm all the changes you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully added a payment method on Redbubble. Remember, keeping your information current is key to a seamless experience on the platform. If you ever need to make updates or adjustments, simply revisit these steps. Enjoy creating or shopping with peace of mind, knowing that your payment details are securely set up. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more helpful tips.